Hi, this is James. I want to thank you for considering taking this course. I have taken over a decade of my health, safety, and security management experience and have compiled it into quick, easy, and effective courses with your busy schedule in mind. You'll be able to take this course and other courses right there in the palm of your hand on your phone or device. They're designed to keep you in the classroom less and out on the road or in the field earning more money without compromising the integrity required for your health and safety. Getting a job and working as a motor carrier operator or a big rig driver can be quite the lucrative business. However, it requires much responsibility. You can use this course to show clients or management that you can be trusted with that responsibility, and with that, you'll be able to reap the financial benefits. Positively impact your livelihood by making yourself a highly sought after, safety conscious motor carrier operator. Increase your chances of being hired for the job by using this certificate that you can get from this course to set you apart from other applicants. Use this course to stand out from colleagues. Impress those colleagues, management, and clients by using this program, because not only is this program yours once enrolled, I'm going to give you a program as a downloadable resource that you can in turn use to either establish a safety program where none existed previously, or you can build upon and improve an already existing safety program. In this course, you're going to be able to ask me questions. There are quick and easy quizzes. There are official downloadable resources, and you even get a cool diploma at the end of the course. Maybe you're trying to get a job as a truck driver, or you're new to the motor carrier operator industry, and your experience is limited. You can use this course and the education that you're going to get from it, and it will show your expertise in regards to safety in this trucking industry field. Don't fear the large amount of drivers that you may think you're going up against. This course is going to enable you. It's going to give you what it takes so that you can shine above them. I look forward to seeing you in the lectures. Take care. God bless. So I want to encourage you to click on the link below and take the full course. They are designed to be quick yet highly effective with your busy schedule in mind, keeping you out of a classroom and out there earning more money. There are simple quizzes, there's real-world inspections, and you'll even get a diploma at the end of the course. And here's the really cool part. The course might even be free. There's only one way to find out. Here's some free content to get you started. You can use the free content however you like. Take care. So before we dive into what the law specifically states and who or what it applies to, I wanted to let you know that I've titled the course the Pre-Trip Inspection. Now, so many things can branch off from the pre-trip inspection, and this is why I've titled it like this. First, maybe nothing comes of the pre-trip inspection, but so much can come from any deficiencies that we might find from that pre-trip inspection. If we catch it before we hit the road, and by catch it I mean before we catch any problems, any pieces of equipment that are in need of repair, and we address it before we hit the highways and byways, it makes our lives so much easier. It keeps the money in our pockets and out of the courtroom. Here we go. Okay, the pre-trip inspection. Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Part 396 of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration states, every motor carrier, its officers, drivers, agents, representatives, and employees directly concerned with the inspection or maintenance of commercial motor vehicles must be knowledgeable of and comply with the rules of this part. Every intermodal equipment provider, its officers, agents, representatives, and employees directly concerned with the inspection or maintenance of intermodal equipment interchanged or offered for interchange to motor carriers must be knowledgeable of and comply with the rules of this part. A lot of words there. In a nutshell, it states, if your business is motor carrier transport, then this law applies to you. That includes owners, operators, and even the guys that work in the shop. 396.3 Inspection, Repair, and Maintenance. Every motor carrier and intermodal equipment provider must systematically inspect, repair, and maintain, or cause to be systematically inspected, repaired, and maintained all motor vehicles and intermodal equipment subject to its control. Parts and accessories shall be in safe and proper operating condition at all times. These include those specified in Part 393 of this subchapter and any additional parts and accessories which may affect safety of operation, including but not limited to frame and frame assemblies, suspension systems, axles and attaching parts, wheels and rims, and steering systems. Again, that's a lot to take in. Don't worry about a thing. We're going to break it down in simple form and fashion. In a nutshell, this states, there must be an inspection and maintenance process when anything comes up on the inspection report. All the parts must be in safe working condition when inspected. Plain and simple. These vehicles are trucks, are vans, they are an integral part of our daily lives. If motor carrier transport stops, if goods and people and personnel don't get to where they need to go, then guess what? The world stops with them. Complacency with the vehicle safety can result in deadly accidents and costly mistakes. We turn a vehicle or a piece of equipment that we can use to make good money into a deadly weapon if we do not address the items that are in need of repair that the inspection will make aware to us. Your safety and awareness makes the roads a safer place. I personally want to thank you, as I am always on the road with my family and my children and my wife. So, applying what you learned in this course means that there's less of a chance of a costly or deadly mistake. So you know what? I thank you. I personally thank you in advance. Hi. So this next section deals with two distinct portions of the law. First is you have an inspection report, and then secondly you have what you would call a maintenance report or a damage report or some type of report that facilitates a process to address any deficiencies that were found on the inspection report. Now they can cause confusion with each other sometimes, so I just want to take this moment and kind of break it down for you. So your inspection report is simply your checklist, and on that checklist, in a small space, you can note the condition of the item that you inspected. Now, this can be just a single sheet if it fits. It's not some drawn out report. You simply conduct your inspection per the check sheet, and you note the condition of the item in which you inspected. Now, where the other report comes into play is if any items on your inspection checklist warrant attention for safety purposes, damage, or maintenance reasons. So you have two different reports. One is an inspection report that notes the condition of the items inspected, and the second is a report reporting any of the items on your inspection sheet that may require attention from maintenance. I just didn't want you to get confused as we go through the next lecture, so I just wanted to break that down for you real quick. Let's get started. At a minimum, there are 10 points of inspection that should be on your inspection report. Now these are the minimal points of inspection. We want to beat the minimum. We want to exceed the standard. So use this as a baseline for which you can build upon. So that first point is inspecting the service brakes, and that includes the trailer brake connections. Inspect the parking brake. Thirdly, we'll inspect the steering mechanism. Number 4, inspect lighting devices and reflectors. Number 5, tires. Number 6, the horn. Number 7, windshield wipers. Number 8, coupling devices. Number 9, wheels and rims. And number 10, the emergency equipment. On that inspection report, there should be 2 sections that include 1, the vehicle, the driver, and deficiencies if there are any, and number 2, the driver's signature. If the inspection report indicates any deficiencies or unsafe circumstances, these deficiencies must be repaired. Now, once the deficiency is repaired, either by the operator or the maintenance department, that repair must be noted on that inspection form that indicated the deficiency. So, to put quite simply, if you indicate on your inspection report that the brakes need repair, after the vehicle comes back from the shop, it should indicate on that same inspection report that the brakes have been repaired and how. Now, these reports must be kept on file for 3 months from the original date of the report.